you see me on the streets like this with hustles around me, you know that it is time for AccraWeDey here on MX24 television, and I am Chichi MFA. Today, I am selling coconuts. Kube. Anna, Kube.
Yes.
Today I'm selling it. I'm learning how to sell coconuts, and I'll be interacting with my hustler here. Boss, what's your name?
Musa. Musa Zuna.
Musa.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Northern region.
Northern region. Interesting.
You stay at Takari.
You stay at AccraWeDey. So how you are from Northern region, you stay at AccraWeDey, and you're in Accra. How?
You be there. They come born at Western region. So I started from there selling coconuts from where I come Accra. One day I decided to come Accra to sell coconuts. So
Wow.
I just come.
So you just decided that I'm leaving Western region to Accra.
Yes.
How?
Because I want money.
By Western region, the money was not plenty.
Oh, there, that's one song you get to buy food there, you get bad one.
It's not.
Get money you have to do anything.
So did you know somebody in Accra you were coming to stay with?
No.
So you just woke up one morning, I'm coming to Accra, I'm coming to stay in Accra.
Yes.
So where did you sleep that night?
As we come first, we come to Asanta. So after work, we sleep for the top at Asanta. So,
Interesting.
So we be there the way. If I get a chance, this is the way I come.
So how did you get money to even invest in the coconut business?
So this one, if you get 100 pieces, then you buy they sell that 100 pieces. If you sell that one small, then
How much did you put into it?
let's say 500.
You put 500 cedis into it. Interesting. So you started with 100 pieces.
I started with 100 pieces.
What's your profit?
My profit. I thought if you sell it, then you get maybe 150.
150. Your profit a day or in a month?
A day.
150
Like,
cedis.
let's say 100 cedis.
Your profit. That is not. It's not part of your the coconut money.
Yeah.
Just profit alone is 100 cedis. Then you're making money. I know the hustle pays, but sometimes we underestimate how much you guys make on the streets. Because you are making even more than a lot of people who are in the corporate space.
I have friends too. In them too, they are selling the same thing by the people 100 pieces, you don't get money to buy it.
Wow.
So that one.
So it depends on. So how do you manage your money then?
Oh, man.
What would you advise people who want to invest from doing businesses like this? How do you do yours? How are you able to save? How are you able to manage and invest?
My own, like if you are finished, I'll tell the corporate money and my profit. If my profit be 50 cedis, I'll make sure I will save maybe 30 cedis. Then I will eat 10 cedis and let go the 10 cedis from my pocket. So that one, if anything, that 10 cedis and the 30 cedis day somewhere. That one.
So you've been saving 30 cedis, 30 cedis, 30 cedis.
Wow.
So how long have you been doing? How long have you been selling?
It's going 3 years.
3 years. Wow, that's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. So what do you intend to do with this? Like, what's the goal for you? What's your plan?
Oh, here, no, I don't get paid. If I get paid, like I will open the joint.
Wow.
But I'll get a place to open, but the people will come and sell it.
You won't try. I love his mindset. Like that business. Please give me. I love the business mindset. Like listening to him, like telling, I'm here on the streets, I'm hustling. And what's your level of education?
Oh, yes.
You went to JHS. So how come you woke up and now like you're a business-minded person? What's motivated you?
My mom is my professor money no day. So I don't want to go to school again. Like as I get in this work, I know like it's good for me. If I save, I feel do something. So I want like work, then I save, do something. So that if I save my my classmates now, like if I say I will not fish out. Me too,
you also flex. Yes.
Me too, if I no go school, plenty club, me too, now I get something.
Was that something that inspired you to like say, I'm going on the street to hustle? What happened? How did you make that decision? When and how?
I started a long time because in the time I go school, if I go to school, I go climb the tree and then I collect money one city. If the next one, with that money will support me because the money they give me is small.
At what age did you start hustling?
Oh, now when a long time, it's the time 12, 13.
Wow. What was the first business that you did?
Oh, it's the coconut now.
You've been selling coconuts? Wow.
If I go to school, now our house, we have the tree some. So if I go to school, we grow, I feel calm, then I'll go sell. So with that thing we had to do for the day, small. I come.
How many people do you get to sell the coconut? Like how many people come and patronize you, like buy from you every day?
I can't count.
Like will it get to 100?
That one is
you can't count it.
Yeah, I just sell.
You just
finish.
In a day, how many coconuts are you able to sell?
It's 100 or
100 coconuts. So it means that if you're selling 100 coconuts a day, then 100 people have come to buy. Or maybe.
People they buy it. People they buy.
Oh, okay. So how much is one coconut?
5 cedis.
5 cedis. 5 cedis. Hey, there's 5 cedis, there's 12 cedis. What's the difference? Which one is the small one?
The small ones.
Okay, and then this one is 5 cedis. And how much is the bottle?
25.
25. Okay, that's like big enough. Nice. So now I want to learn how to.
Cut it.
Yes.
Oh,
yes. You are going to teach me.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm buying my own. So okay. I want the soft one. But how are you guys able to tell which one is soft and which one is hard? How do you tell?
You see, for the time, if water the inside where you beat like it sounds some way.
Okay.
And if water no there,
when you
that one will sound different.
Okay. So that's how you're able to tell from the sound when you hit the coconuts. Interesting.
If you see the skin,
you can tell. Guys, which one do you like, the soft or the hard? I am team soft. How do you guys hold it?
You hold it.
God, please help me. Let me not cut myself.
You hold it.
Okay.
Shoot enough to cut it.
Wait, Bojidi. It's not cutting. I have to apply pressure. Hey, Jesus Christ. But to me, why? I've tried because I think there's this pressure that. Let me try one. Okay, but why are you giving me this knife?
See, this one is light.
It's light. It needs experience.
You told me I can use this one.
It's okay. Let me try this one. Let me try another side. The Lord is my shepherd. Hey, boy, look at what's happening. It's not cutting, no, people of God. Okay, and let me put it like this. Oh, it was spoiled. Yes. I've tried.
Let me do this small thing so that we
okay.
Continue.
It's not small. Have you ever cut yourself?
Oh yes.
Wow. Do you still have the scar?
Then cut it.
Do you still have the scar from cutting yourself?
Yeah,
hey, see. Wow. Yes. Wow. See this? Wow. Doesn't it hurt?
Oh, right.
It's part of the job, eh?
Yes.
Wow. Charlie, sorry, why? So I'm supposed to cut this part, eh?
No, for hold the carrots.
Don't cut it for me.
Hold the carrots.
Okay. Hey, it has opened.
Cut it.
Okay. It has opened. Okay.
You use straw.
Yes, please. I'll use straw. Coconut water is good. Seriously, do you know the benefits of coconut water? Do you know the benefits?
Yes.
Tell me about it. Market your business to people.
Like,
Let people drink coconut water a day. Tell them why they should drink coconut water a day.
A day, if you drink 2, it's like you take 100.
What are the nutritional benefits? Do you know the nutrients in coconut water?
The nutrients. That one, you don't know.
It's nice. Who taught you how to do this coconut business stuff? Because like cutting and all of that, it's some skill.
Nobody.
Nobody. Interesting. I think I can drop this here. Okay. This is the part I like. Oh my god. Then you're able to like, oh Jesus Christ, oh this is so good. You're able to, this is what we call the meat. This is how I like it, like really soft, really soft, just like this. So you have to keep doing what you're doing and you watch nobody. That's the most important thing. Keep doing your hustle, keep up with what you're doing irrespective of what people say. Charlie, the hustle is real. Go and grind, go and make that moolah, guys. Let's make our mama and papa proud. I am Chichi MFI and I hope you enjoyed this episode of AccraWeDey. Respect the hustlers and hustle and keep hustling. I am Chichi MFI and keep watching MX24 television. Bye.